Okay, so after we've exported our GIS file to a PDF, that's this one right here. I've got everything from the project one in this folder. I need to put this into Illustrator so I can clean up the file and get it to a point where it's ready for additional drawing and modeling and things like that. So I'm just going to right click on it and I'm going to hit open with Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to think about it for a second. So in this PDF, I've got, I know that we exported it at a scale of 1 to 4,800, which is essentially 1 inch equals 400 feet because 12 inches in a foot. So 12 times 400 gives us that 4,800. That's how we get that number. And I'm just gonna click on this guy here, and you can see that it highlighted that one piece of geometry, right? So right now I don't have any layers set up. I want all these things on different layers. I also want them to be grouped because that's going to help me when I get to the point of wanting to get it from Adobe into SketchUp or into a CAD program where I'm drawing in real sizes instead of scaled size. So I've got the one selected, but I want everything selected. So I'm going to go up here to select, same. I want to select the same stroke color because I know that all of those parcel lines are in that red. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a layer using this little button down here called Create New Layer. And I'm going to double click on that. It's not going to deselect everything that I've got selected on this side. I'm just going to call it parcel because that's what I want it to be called. I want those to be understood as parcel boundaries. And then I'm going to go up to Edit. I'm going to hit Cut. You can also do Command X. And so see, it just took that away. And then I'm going to hit Edit. I want it to be in the exact same spot because I don't want it to move at all. So I'm just going to hit paste in place. The other thing that you can hit is Command Shift V for that, and that'll just put it back in place. See how it just placed it right where it was. But now it's on this parcel line. Right now it's all individual pieces of line segment, and I don't want that. I want that to be one group. So I'm going to hit Command G. And now I'm going to use my, not direct, I'm going to use my selection tool because that'll tell me whether or not something's a group or not. The other way I can check that is if you hit this down arrow right here, now you can see that this is called, that it's actually called out as a group. So I'm going to do that for all of the other layers that are in here, and I'm going to get those all onto their own individual layers, and I will open that back up when we're all done.